Good evening. My name is Evan Penny with Fraser Roofing. I'm in Dublin, Georgia, on the house of Mr. Robert Windham. I'm going to do a repairability test on these shingles here. There's a few that are been damaged by the wind. The decking is exposed. The drip edge or fascia board is halfway ripped off right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 shingles damaged in this area alone, on this area and this lower transition over the overhang that's over the driveway. This is the front slope. I'm gonna begin by attempting to remove the nails from underneath these shingles. This is the highest wind damaged one, so I'm going to start with this one here. And right away, there's already some tearing going on here. Actually, you can see that tear right there. There's like a puncture I can feel where the tool's already gone through. And there's another tear already. These are really glued together. I'm not sure of the age of the roof exactly, but I'd say it's at least 15 years old, maybe pushing 20. And these 3-tab shingles are not normally repairable if they're exposed to the sun the way that these are. There's another small tear there. They're really glued together. The matting is going to be transferring as well, so these shingles are not going to seal back down after we do this. It's just going to, the damaged area is going to continue to grow. Without the punctures, we're already doing more harm than good and making the damaged area higher up on the roof. Yeah, the mat damage is also worth pointing out. So far we have mat damage, we have granule loss, we have tearing, / brittleness, alright, let's keep going. That's this one, X, that's not repairable. Let's move over to this one here. There's no way. I mean, we cannot, definitely can't warranty any kind of repair on shingles like this. I mean, you just can't. It's tearing every time you try to break it loose. Not to mention the mat damage. I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this repair attempt as a fail. My name's Evan Penny. It's June 25th, 2025. My phone number is 478-279-7349. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions.